What is up, guys? This is Vending here, back with another video. Actually, my second video. And today, I'm here gonna showcase y'all my two new, not new to me, bulk candy machines. And I have a third one laying in the corner there that needs a stand. So here we got a black one. I only paid $40 for this one. It's a 3-head. Pretty easy one to operate. You just unscrew the key, pull it out, pull off the top. Then you got your candy slots, and to get the money out the back, it's not like a regular one. You pop that up, and the back opens on it. Then in there is where your money will be. And then to shut it, you gotta lift this back up. Sorry, to shut it, you gotta lift that back up, and then shut the door, and then shut it back down. Everything on that machine does work, and is in really good condition. And I cannot believe I only paid $40 for this machine. Bought it from a family friend this was his only machine, and he just didn't really feel like doing it anymore. Oh, an update on the drink and snack machine. It is now placed, and it's in the tattoo shop. And then with these, a double-headed one, all you gotta do is you gotta go up here, like any other bubblegum machine or regular candy machine like this. I gotta tighten the stand up on this one a little bit. Comes off, and then all you gotta do is you gotta one second. All you gotta do is just gotta pull this off and off. And that is a really good machine for starters. So yeah, if you are trying to get into bulk candy or whatever, all you have to do is get one of these machines. Yeah, they lock really easily, and once they are tight, it don't wiggle no more. This one ain't that tight though. So same thing with this one. You untighten it all the way. Lift the lid off. And this one, that's how you do it. I'm trying to do it one-handed. It ain't really working too good. Give me 1 second. You know what? I can't even get it lifted off, so whatever. Not gonna really try too hard on it right now with one hand. So I'm going to put the plate back on. Yeah, like I said before, these are great machines to start off with. And I actually got this one for completely free to me because I did a trade deal with it. I had a moped laying around, and this guy fixed up mopeds. I said in my Facebook post that I'd be willing to trade for a candy machine. And this guy had this one, these two, and this one sitting over here in the corner, and he was willing to trade. This one just has a different spinner. The blue ones are Astros. These are Northwestern from Morse, Illinois. Pretty far away. You know, you gotta put the Vending on YouTube up here. Yeah, these are all three, and some of the candy did come in today, like some of the Gumballs and Skittles came in today. And then if y'all haven't also, I'm a eBay seller, so go check me out on eBay at Braxco, not just leave out the vending. And yeah, these are really good. These two are set up for just bulk candy. The outer two on the black one is set up for bulk candy. This one's set up for gumballs. And this one has a catch tray for falls. This one I believe is set up for bulk candy as well. But I have parts to switch one of the blue ones over to gumballs. So I'm thinking maybe switching this one over to gumballs. And yeah, I'm hopefully gonna put these on location within a couple days or maybe a week. I'm trying to get this one in at my school. These two I may put in a shop. A new restaurant that opened up. But yeah. This one does have a crack on the rear plexiglass panel. Like right there. Yeah, right there. Oh, I gotta shake, so I gotta do that. And then I'll show you it all works. 1 second. Let me get my coin bag. These are all 25-cent machines. There we go. Yeah. These all pretty good in shape. I think I might actually repaint the black one. Bullet dropped the coin. I might repaint it blue with some gloss, like either gloss or like sparkles on it. Yeah, the middle one on this one is a little bit sticky, the Gumball one. And all the bulk candy ones will drop 7 pieces of candy a piece. So this is probably M&M's, Mike and Ike's, or Skittles. M&M's, Mike and Ike's, or Skittles. And like I said, this one I might transfer over to bubblegum. If you haven't already, like and subscribe to the video. I might do a giveaway of my collection if I hit 150 subscribers. I know it's a pretty far distance away, but if we do that, I'll give the collections on these machines away to one lucky viewer, and that is subscribed to my channel. So leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Maybe of me placing these in a location, maybe not. If it's out of my school, probably not, because I'm not allowed to record at schools. Well, thanks again, and subscribe.